Today, more and more customers are asking for a hosted voiceware solution. While hosting offers many benefits, the PMS serial interface remained a challenge. Existing solutions are expensive, hard to configure, and in some cases have reached their end of life. To solve this problem, PhoneSuite has developed the Serial Box. Many hotels have an on-site PMS system with a traditional serial interface. While this works fine when the PBX is on-site, in a hosted environment, serial is not an option. In some cases the PMS can switch to using a TCP/IP interface, but in many cases it cannot. In the past the only solution was to use a third-party TCP/IP to serial converter. But now with the introduction of the Serial Box there is a better option. The Serial Box is a small purpose-built solution running software built by PhoneSuite to allow a serial PMS connection to quickly and easily connect to a hosted voiceware system. Let's take a look at what the Serial Box has to offer. The custom-built web interface is similar to the PMS interface found in voiceware. Both a PBX and call accounting connection can be configured here. In the additional settings area is where the hosted IP is listed, along with any additional parameters to add to the standard protocols. As with voiceware, there is a debug window. This window displays a live log of the interface along with allowing debug and testing commands to be entered. The Simple Settings page has network settings, future support for a VPN, a factory reset, and password settings. The Serial Box by PhoneSuite offers an affordable and easy-to-install solution to enable communication between a serial PMS interface and a hosted voiceware platform. For more information about the Serial Box, or to order one, please visit us at www.phonesuite.com.